Hello and welcome to, well, simply a gorgeous location. I've brought you somewhere unique, well, for a unique look at this. I've got the Samsung S24 Ultra. It's gorgeous, slim packaging. It feels premium in the hand, but it's when you open it and, well, get it aside for a second that you jump into the device itself. Let's take a look at the S24 Ultra and see why it's such a premium flagship device. First things first, a look in the hand. It's gorgeous. The stunning slim profiles, the edge-to-edge screen and design, and well, it's just simply a high-class premium device. Brushed in this titanium silver finish, you notice over on the back the main feature, the camera bumps, and that is something which we'll get into in a moment. You also notice, well, it's slim, it looks the part, and over on the bottom you can pop out the S Pen. That means you can simply jot down notes, for instance, circle to search, all your functionality straight from the pen. Makes it much more than just a smartphone. And if we turn the device on, unlock it here, you notice not only the super premium AMOLED display here with its edge-to-edge and incredibly high pixel count, as well as the peak nits brightness. What you also notice is, well, there's so much in the way of functionality. AI, let's face it, it's the big buzzword, artificial intelligence, and perhaps nothing has done it as well in terms of the smartphone space as Samsung and Galaxy AI. If we jump into this device, well, you got your camera here. It's absolutely incredible. You can zoom into scenes. There, for example, is the moon in the distance. We can zoom in all the way 100 times, stabilize a bit, and then boom, we snap the photo. Now, using AI and some of the built-in tools, you'll see you're getting an incredibly premium shot here. You can actually see every little detail, craters, crevices, even of the moon. It is incredible. Apart from the 100 times zoom, with the very, very sharp shoot on here, portraits look incredible, and the AI means I can tweak each photo. So there's some distortion in it. There's, for example, some birds getting in the way of the shot. I can simply circle them and use AI, remove the tool, make it something a bit more exceptional. The other area where Galaxy AI comes to life is, well, call functionality. Let's say I receive a call. I jump onto it, but it's somebody from another country. I speak English, they could speak, let's say, Chinese, Russian, French, German, Italian, pretty much any language. Using Galaxy Live AI translation, the call translation functionality, I can simply jump into settings, put on live translate. Now I'm speaking to them in English, they're speaking to me in another language, and we're talking to each other, understanding each and every word being translated live on the call. It's an incredibly, incredibly useful tool. This also goes into this function. Hit the circle button at the bottom, circle to search. I've now searched weather, for example. I can circle to search an object. I like these sunglasses I've been wearing. Take a photo of them, circle to search, and look for the same style, the pair, the brand, you name it. It's got a lot of clever functionality. There's several colors available, several different memory options available. This is the 256 gig model, 12 gigs of RAM built in. But what's for sure with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, as the name suggests, it's an ultra premium Android device. There's a reason that it remains at the pinnacle of the flagship smartphone market. From me, Jason of Technobok, this has been a quick look, getting it out the box, getting it in the hand, and using some of the key features of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.